So we've talked for 10 or 15 years about manual transmissions going away, automated transmissions coming in. That technology is a game changer, and it's different for the independent aftermarket. And so we're spending time trying to educate the market. Here's what's coming. We've got a promotion called Prepare to Repair.
Okay.
So what do they need?
Yeah.
What do they need to know? Clutches are different, transmissions are different, and how can we help the industry move it forward? So, you know, if you think back a few years on Eaton, our whole portfolio was around how do we service Eaton install base? And we've pivoted in the last 5 years to, we want to serve all the vehicles that are in the marketplace and help trucks keep running and help fleets make money.
Yeah.
And if we can educate the market by doing it, that's really what we're all about. So we've got service tools, we've got clutches, we've got clutch actuators, we've got transmission components for rebuilders in all those makes and models. And that's what we're spending all of our time educating the market on.
So what do your distributors run into as they start to try to provide these products to their end user customers? Might be a fleet, could be a local repair shop. Like from the parts side, is it parts identification that's the issue? Is it helping them diagnose problems? Like where do you see their need, the need come up when people make this transition?
Sure, look, it's both for sure. Parts identification, I mean, it's not as easy as it used to be,
Used
right?
to be pretty easy.
Used to be pretty easy. Eaton had a lot of the business on clutch and transmission. Now Daimler has their own transmission with somebody else that makes their clutch. Volvo has their own, Mack has their own. Navistar's getting in that business now. Eaton's got our product plus the Endurant, which is our joint venture with Cummins.
Right.
So if you look at the market, the portfolio of what people have to carry has gotten far more complex.
Right.
And so how do they identify, first of all, what they need, and then secondly, we've got this good, better, best offering. If you think of the legacy clutch for the manuals, you know, where is the truck in the life cycle, and why is one of them better than another? Because people try and have a one-size-fits-all mentality, and what you end up doing, honestly, is you're paying a higher price for features that you don't use, and then when you don't use that and you have to sell it, the customer's getting value out of it, so you're cutting your margin. And so we're spending a lot of time educating on how do you identify the right part for the right application, and then how can we help? We want to be that one-stop shop for our distributors so that they can keep the fleet operators in North America running and keep goods moving. And trust us with all of our quality and our product and our sales team out there.
So when I was selling parts for a distributor, I was always trying to focus on areas that I could talk to my customers and say, look, if you change to this product line, you're going to reduce your total cost of operation.
For
sure. You're going to get better cost per mile. What's the version of that equates to this product?
Yeah, so look, we do talk cost per mile. But if I think, let's go back to our manual clutch portfolio. So we have the Advantage series, and the Advantage series is a strap drive that's changed from maybe what you sold. But frankly, it's got features for downsped engines and all the aerodynamics on trucks. Well, when a truck is 7, 8 years old, they don't need those features, right? So at the end of the day, we've got a middle grade product, which is our EverTough product. Good enough product, one generation old on technology, still Eaton back, still similar warranties. You buy the clutch install kit, you get the extended warranty with it when you do the install. So we're educating. What are the differences? There's a price difference to it. They can make more margin. And then here at the show, we've now launched a Reman Advantage line. So we're updating our Reman portfolio. So if you think about the life cycle of a truck, 0 to 5 years-ish, is Advantage. That's really the sweet spot. 6 to 10 should be the EverTough, and now we've got a line for the 10 plus in our Reman product. And so that's really been our focus, and that's what we're trying to educate the market on. What's the right product for the right application? Too often the customer wants to buy one part number for everybody, and it just doesn't work that way.